Let's make a vinyl counseling doll together. You will need scale, scissors, small cup, funnel, 2 or 3 string bags, 2 socks, a piece of sponge and silicone filling. It can be an IKEA pillow. I used glass sand as a weight, about 4 kilograms. And of course a vinyl baby doll DIY kit. First, I poured 400 grams of glass sand into each leg. I covered the sand with a piece of sponge so that it wouldn't mix with the silicone filling. I filled the top of the leg with silicone filling. I did the same thing with the hands, but I poured 300 grams of glass sand into each of them. Now I'm filling the head. I poured about 150 grams of sand into 2 string bags each. I put them into the head together with the silicone filling. The next step is to fill the torso. I poured the remaining sand into 2 socks, relatively evenly. I didn't use all of the sand. I still have about 300 grams left from 4 kilograms. I attach the legs to the fabric torso and lightly fill it with silicone filling. Then I put both socks into it and fill the rest with filling. It's time to attach the arms and head. Hands first. I tighten the cable tie, but not too tight, so that I can move the arms. I do the same with the head. Tighten the cable ties tight enough to prevent the vinyl from slipping, but light enough to allow you to move the limbs. Voila! Our vinyl baby is ready. It's time to try them on our baby carrier.